What's going on? This is Kareem from djbooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the new Ultrasone Signature DXP over-the-ear DJ headphones. So a long time ago we reviewed the Ultrasone DJ headphones. I think they were called the DJ1, maybe like 5 or 6 years ago. It might even been before we were doing video reviews that often, so it's probably over on our djbooth.net website. But we found that they were pretty expensive. They were very, very well made, and they had a nice, clear sound signature to them, perfect separation of low, mids, and highs, and they had great isolation as well. They were great for headphones for DJ use, but they were definitely expensive, and these signature DXP headphones are also built just for DJs, and they're also pretty expensive. They come in at $599, which is maybe the most expensive DJ headphones that we reviewed on this channel to date, but we're going to see if they're worth it. We're going to see if you guys should spend your hard-earned money on some Signature DXP by Ultrasone headphones and see if they will do exactly what you want them to do, and that's monitor your DJ set exactly how you need it. So first up, the packaging is nice. It has a soft kind of touch to it, nice soft touch type of coating to the whole package. It has a picture of the headphones on the front, of course. It has S Logic Plus, which is some type of proprietary signature sound technology that they have. The Signature DXP back of the box gives you the technical data. The frequency range is between 5 and 30,000 hertz. Impedance is 32 ohms, and the SPL is 115 dB. The drivers are also 50 millimeter drivers, so you're going to get a full around the ear type of covering. All right, so let's just open up the box and see what comes inside. As you guys know, if you have been on this channel for some time now, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe right now. But usually we do the unboxing videos, and then within the next 2 weeks we'll have out the full review video, which will be the case this time. So make sure you guys subscribe to come back for the full out review so you know if these are worth your money. Alright, so a nice white box here. Move that out the way. And we are greeted with a nice hard case, so that is definitely a plus. If you're going to have $600 headphones, they should have a nice hard case there. They have the signature insignia here with a covering over it. Nice metal signature design. Nice durable zippers that are outlined in gray. Comes with your warranty information and all that good stuff. But this feels like it's almost a real leather looking pouch on the outside. It's definitely hard, so it's going to protect your investment. Let's open it up, see what we get inside. Bam. First thing we get is your straight cable. The end that plugs into the ear cup actually has a locking end, which means you put it up and then you twist it into your headphone. Other end is a standard 1/8 inch jack. The next thing you get, of course, is the headphones. We'll put those here for now. And you also get your coiled cable. Nice package, by the way. Definitely feels durable, solid. Put that to the side. Your coiled cable is here, and that has the same lead that plugs into your headphones that actually twists, so that way they lock. And then you have your big 1/4 inch lead on the other end. Alright, so the headphones themselves. They have one single jack on the bottom. That is the bottom of the left ear cup. You have these nice swivel hinges here. Unfortunately, it feels like everything in the hinge is plastic, but maybe that's done for a reason. We'll see in the full out review video. It has a nice durable hinge mechanism to it with a lot of padding. Very generous padding here on the underside for the bottom of your head, or the top of your head, the bottom of the headband. And you have these nice ear cups that go all the way around your ears. We'll see what they look like on the head. Side profile. But they feel really lightweight, really comfortable. Great isolation, by the way. I couldn't really hear my own self talk or think with these bad boys on my ear. But again, we're going to go into lots of detail when we actually do the full out review video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you share this video with those who might want it as well. Make sure you guys come back for that review. And as always, thanks for watching.